Well, I woke up and I like myself today, so your like is extra. My job is to like me first.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Creative Vibes. Today's video will be all about self-confidence. So I'll be giving you 3 ways that your lack of self-confidence is burning you out and how to fix it. We're going to start off with what is confidence. What's the definition of confidence? It's the feeling or belief that one may have faith in. Confidence fluctuates in life. The aim of this video is to find out the balance of being confident and keeping that confidence balance correct. Otherwise, you will get burnt out. Confidence comes from your body language, actions, demeanor, and your voice. So how you speak says a lot about your confidence. If your voice is like, yeah, hi, I'm gonna be talking today about confidence. Like, you guys, confidence starts from inside, and yeah, like, let's be for real, you guys wouldn't even want to watch this video because it's not giving confidence. Yes, I get these people who have lower tones of voice and that's how they project things, but the way their body language comes across, you know that person is confident. But there's some people, they say things and you're just like, do you even believe what you're saying yourself? Do you believe what you're trying to sell me? So always know, like, with confidence, you have to project confidence. So what causes self-confidence burnout? So for me, it's like you think you have to prove yourself to someone. That is like where people go wrong. The minute you try to do something for someone else, first of all, you're fighting yourself. Yeah, you're fighting yourself. Release yourself from those shackles, yeah? Just release yourself from the shackles of trying to prove yourself to other people. It's never gonna get you anywhere. And if this is you, who are you trying to prove yourself to? Is it a family member? Is it a friend? That's something to think about. And why is their approval such a big thing to you? Because for me, if I need to prove myself to someone, this person has played a role of me having low self-confidence. What type of words do they project into my life? What type of words are they projecting into my body? Like, what information am I soaking in from this particular individual that's making me feel like I'm not confident enough, therefore I have to prove a point to them? Are they fueling your insecurities if someone is always picking at something that they know you're insecure about? If so, the first thing you need to do is exit. You need to get yourself out of that mess, because you don't deserve that. You don't deserve to feel less than. No one should ever make you feel less than, not even you yourself. So how dare you allow someone to have so much power that they've made you feel insecure and have knocked down your self-confidence? Girl, bye. Boy, bye. What a lot of people do is they think because we're family, we're this, we're that, I'm going to stick beside them. But girl, they're not sticking beside you. So why would you want to stick beside someone like that? Because you guys share blood. What is blood at the end of the day? I'm so sorry to sound crazy, but what is blood at the end of the day? For me personally, I have no issues cutting off family members. I'm very quick to say that, and my family members know that as well. So anytime I feel like this ain't gonna work, Jackie, because it's not gonna work, Jackie. I'm sorry, you're not gonna suppress me, oppress me, whatever. It's done. You're affecting me in a negative way, especially with my confidence. Confidence is what carries me as a human being. Confidence is what people see when I step into a room. You think I'm gonna lower my self-confidence by trying to prove myself to you? So in short words, start living for yourself, and I promise you, you'll notice nobody will die. Whatever perception they have about you already, let that be the perception they keep. That's got nothing to do with you, it's to do with them. There's this Chinese proverb I came across on my confidence journal that stated, tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. What does that quote even mean? It just means anytime your body feels tension on who you should be, you're pretending you want to be, or you want to be someone else. That's not you. Anytime you're relaxed, that's who you should be. Another thing that is burning out your self-confidence is critical talk and self-doubt. These 2 things combined together are so lethal. These 2 things can really prevent you from seeing your full potential without even realizing. So always be mindful how you speak to yourself. So the second thing is you're setting goals. You don't even believe that you're going to achieve them. Your subconscious mind already believes you failed. So forget it. You have bigger fish to fry. You have to really work on your mind. You're just wasting your own time. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, is self-doubt is the enemy of self-confidence. Write that down somewhere. Always remember, you are in control of your mind. So anytime you feel self-doubt coming in, rebuke it. Yeah? And I'm not even trying to be funny, rebuke it. I said, in the name of Jesus, you got the wrong one. And if you don't believe in God, believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself, because it's tough out here. It's critical out here. It gets real messy, real challenging, real quick. So right now, I'm gonna do an affirmation with you guys, and I want you guys to repeat this sentence after me. I am worthy of accomplishing all my goals and living my dream life. Repeat after me. I am worthy of accomplishing all my goals and living my dream life. This time, say it like you really mean it. I am worthy of accomplishing all my goals and living my best life. Yes! Yes! Now get out there and go do what you need to do. See, already my confidence is already on 1,000, because yes, I am worthy and I am gonna do it. You know? Who's gonna stop me? The third thing for me is you're a victim to your story. When it comes to self-confidence and burnout, being a victim is just bottom tier. Like, why are you a victim? Yes, we've all been through things in life. Obviously, for a certain amount of time, it's okay to feel sorry for yourself. But at some point in life, you have to, girl, get up. Boy, get up. We've got things to do. We've got places to be. We've got things to achieve. We have things to do. Our time on this earth is so limited. We should not spend it feeling low and sad. But some people, I find, being a victim allows them to get away with a lot of things. Just allows people to think, oh, it's okay. She's been through this. He's been through this. It's okay. We understand. Because people have sympathy for them or towards my life, I feel like I've got myself a green card to allow myself to be on this boat for the rest of my life. Therefore, you lack ambitious, you lack self-confidence, you let yourself go. After a while, this just becomes their mindset and it becomes a lifestyle for them. These people do not have confidence whatsoever because they've literally trained their brain to be like this. Those are also the same people that have nothing nice to say about other people, the people who are always negative. Stop being a victim to your story. I could never imagine crying for the rest of my life. Not emotionally crying, like my soul is always crying because I've made myself think it's okay to be a victim to my story. I've made it okay for others to think this person, she's not gonna amount to nothing. Never allow yourself for people to label you and for people to think it's okay for you to be in that position just because you've allowed yourself to be there. That's something to think about when it comes to self-confidence burnout. You climb out from that situation, you end up being your best self. One thing I've realized is I don't want to go back to where I was in terms of my confidence level. And if I were to ever lose my self-confidence, I know how to get my confidence back. Already your mindset is already wired differently. I always say choose yourself and watch your future self look back and be so happy because you chose happiness over misery. There's a quote that I go by every single day by Vincent Peale. I think that's how you say his surname. It says, change your thoughts, change your world. Anyways guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.